Oh, yes. Hello, good sir. Would you mind dropping me off at the Chimdale Spa?
Alright, but I'm getting some ribs first.
Well, you were right about those ribs, Justin. But I'm pretty sure the Jews didn't know about that.
Oh, yes. Hello, good sir. Would you mind dropping me off at the Chimdale Spa? Alright, but I'm getting some ribs first.
Wait, is it muted now? Oh my god, it was fucking muted the whole time. The mic
Oh my god.
muted ass.
What are we on, dude?
Button was flashed, dude.
What's this about?
It's a fucking
We got copyright strikes?
Yeah, I got copyright strike on my fucking South Park videos.
I see
I've
them.
been making South Park videos fucking like hiring guys off of Fiverr to South Park videos for me, and I just use AI to write the scripts. Yeah.
Do it, dude.
My channel's called Carrot. I make so much money off of that shit. I got South Park videos, I got Simpsons videos.
Let's think about starting one of those AI
I got
YouTube
so
channels
redemption.
where they do Minecraft parkour and they tell like scary stories.
Yeah, I think I'm schizophrenic. So I'm making this.
You hear the
Yeah,
voices
listen to
too?
this shit.
You hear the
This is
voice?
the type of music I listen to.
Am I dead? I'm dead. You know what the scariest thing in this room is? The fact that I don't have another beer. And you don't either. We don't have other beers. It's terrifying.
I'm
dying. Let's do laser tag.
Let's have a seizure at laser tag.
Let's do it. We'll die. During laser tag.
Would you mind dropping me off?